Hi everyone, my name's Natalie, this is Jonas here, and we're going to tell you how in our first 3 weeks of dropshipping with no experience at all, we did $25,000 plus in sales with a $10,000 profit and a 6.9 ROAS. In October of 2020, Jonas and I decided that we wanted to start a dropshipping store. So we spent the whole month of October researching how to dropship, what the criteria for finding products was, and then we also researched products extensively. Now, we came across a website called droppoint.com. We'll link it in the description below. It's about $5 a month, but oh my gosh, it is so worth it.
Basically what I did was I filtered videos according to views, 100,000 views up to 500,000 views, and then I stumbled over the product.
I instantly fell in love with it. Most people on YouTube say that for your first dropshipping store, you shouldn't reinvent the wheel. As in, you shouldn't pick a product that no one's ever heard of, that doesn't exist. They say you should pick a product that's very saturated and just create the store again on your own. But this product wasn't out there at all. I had never heard of the product, Jonas had never heard of it, it was not out there. So even though no one had done it, I just felt so strongly for this product. And it was also pandemic related or stay-at-home related. And since we were in the middle of the pandemic, I thought it would be awesome timing.
It's basically like the problem and solution approach that we were going for. Basically, the problem was the pandemic, everybody was staying at home. This product provided a solution to a problem that many people have during that time. And the margin of this product was also amazing because we could sell it for 4 times the purchase price. During all of our research that we have done, we stumbled over one video. I will link that in the description and basically shows you in detail how you can create your own Shopify store. And according to this video, we created our first online store.
I have absolutely no website building experience at all, but Jonathan Zamora's video was super helpful. It took you step by step from point 1 to point, I don't know, 193, and it told you everything that you need to do to build your Shopify store. So if I can do it, it's definitely doable.
So once the store was built, we were looking for different ways to market our store. And first we were thinking about influencers, but I don't think that it really fits to this type of product. So we are just going to Facebook ads right away. In order to launch a successful Facebook ad campaign, you need some form of video or photo content that has to be created.
A lot of YouTube influencers that we like said that you should hire someone on Fiverr. Well, we did that. Spend $40 here, $50 here, no big deal. But the videos weren't that great. Now, I know a lot of people will tell you to hire someone on Fiverr. We don't personally recommend that. I don't have any video editing skills, thank God Jonas does. So Jonas shot all the content and edited the video himself, and it turned out okay at first.
I would definitely recommend all of you to shoot the video by yourself. Honestly, an iPhone is enough. And then you can edit the video with an app called InShot. But I personally edited the videos with Final Cut Pro for Mac. And I would say like for the first video, it turned out to be okay. And we were super excited and we decided to launch our Facebook ads right away. We launched 10 different AdSense with a budget of, I think it was $50 a day. We targeted a different audience that we personally think would fit super well to this product. And basically what happened next was interesting because we spent $400 in total and we made Zero sales. Zero sales. And that was honestly like super frustrating. But then we decided, okay, let's shoot a new video. The difference between the first and the second video was that the second video was a lot more engaging. And guys, I cannot stress this enough. It's super important that you have an amazing ad creative. Because if you don't have an amazing video ad, nobody's gonna click on the Shop Now button and nobody's going to your Shopify store and purchase. So on the second video, we really emphasized to have a great scroll stopper. The first 3 seconds of the video need to be really engaging, need to be really exciting, and need to grab the attention of the viewer. And after we created our second ad, which was a lot more engaging and had an amazing scroll stopper, we got amazing click numbers. We got a CTR of around 5 up to 6% on every ad set. Finally, we made our first sale. From that point on, it went extremely well. We had a lot of ad sets with amazing ROAS, such as like 4 or 5. And I started to increase the budget more and more and started to build my first lookalike audiences. The first lookalikes I created were 50% video viewers, but the cold traffic audiences worked already super well. Why do you think everything worked out so well?
Well, I think there's a few reasons why it worked out so well, even though we had no experience. One, we were in the middle of the pandemic and the stay-at-home order. Since this was a pandemic product, I think we really nailed it as far as timing goes.
Yeah.
Also, no one had seen this product. It wasn't available on Walmart, it wasn't available on Amazon. The scroll stopper was amazing. So when you saw this product, you automatically said, wow, what is that? I need to watch this ad. Another reason why this product did so well the first 3 weeks was that it was Q4.
Once we stop selling this product, we will show it to you in the future. And what was also really remarkable about this product was its margins. So basically we bought this product for $35 and we're selling it for $79.99, which leaves a lot of room for ad spend.
This product did very well its first month. It did so well, in fact, that we decided to private label it. We had a lot of issues with dropshipping suppliers. Some ran out of stock. If they had stock, they would increase the price. So all of a sudden I got comfortable paying $35 and they would increase it to $45. Then when you message them why, they just say, oh, it's out of our hands. The price is $45. Well, that's a huge change in margin. So we decided to get off AliExpress, say no to dropshipping, even though we still do recommend it. But for this product, we did private labeling. We went to Alibaba, bought it in bulk, found an amazing fulfillment center, and now they still fulfill the product for us. With dropshipping, we were paying on average $35 per unit. Now that we're private labeling and using Alibaba and buying the products in bulk, it's on average $12 a unit, and then we pay about $13, $14 a unit shipping, and that's shipping to our fulfillment center that we found. If we use the fast boat, that's about $3 or $4 a unit.
So basically the huge advantage of private label over dropshipping is that your margins will be a lot bigger. Another advantage of private label is that the shipping times to the customer will be a lot faster. Like we found a fulfillment center in the United States and most of our customers are from the United States and shipping just takes 2 up to 4 days, and this is just awesome.
Our fulfillment center actually has automatic integrations into our Shopify. So once the order is placed, there's absolutely nothing that either of us need to do. The fulfillment center gets the order and then the product is shipped the same or next business day. But drop shipping is necessary because you have to test the product first. You don't want to buy 500 units to find out they're a big flop.
By the way, guys, we're still running the store to this date, and as you guys can see, drop shipping still works. So we started our store in late 2020 and it's still profitable.
If we can do it, so can you. We
Oh,
started with no
absolutely.
experience. It's never too late to learn.
And guys, we wish you a lot of luck on your dropshipping journey, and we hope you could get some value out of this video. And if so, smash that like button and subscribe, and we really hope to see you guys next time.
Next time.